Removing audio from video on CapCut is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is sign in or sign up for on CapCut and then sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you're going to go to the project and you're going to click on create to import a project that you want to remove the audio for. Now that we have our video that we want to extract, that we want to remove audio from, you can either choose to remove the audio from all of your video, or you can split the video. So let's say we want to remove the audio for just this part of the video. We can split the beginning and the end of the part that we want to remove the audio for. Once we click on that part of the clip, we're going to scroll until we see extract audio. And once we click on extract audio, the audio is out here, divided from the video clip here. So we can just delete this audio. And once we play this up, we've been able to remove the audio from here. Now that's how to remove audio from video on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.